Welcome to our channel!
I am Marka.
I'm Rudeline.
I'm Hart.
And I'm Lorraine.
And this is Shop.
She's absent today because she's laba-laba.
And we are the Girls on the Go, where you can watch and chill content at konting asaran. Tara, samahan niyo kami!
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Today is July 11, 2025. We're going to play a game but with a twist.
So we're going to play the game, the guessing game, where they have to guess what age of media evolution and what medium is being described. So I will be the one describing, or I will be the host and will not be playing. So the one that will guess wrong will have to drink or pick a drink in here. I was once the king of information, folded black and white, and often delivered daily to your doorstep. Who am I? A. Television. B. Radio. C. Newspaper. D. Blog.
Vlog.
Mali! Yari ka na, per. No, B.
6. 6 daw, 6.
Oh, 2,000 me.
Ketchup!
Tayo!
Okay lang.
Pwede
Gusto ko yan.
kita. Sige nga. May alimunan.
Sarap to. Toyo. Ugali ko.
Kambal ko!
Ay, kambal ko.
Kaya lagi ni Toyo.
Ay, ubod.
Lumalaklik ka na Toyo. Inuugali ko eh.
In this age, printed books became mass-produced thanks to machines, and people moved cities for factory jobs. Can you guess which age? A. Pre-industrial age. B. Industrial age. C. Electronic age. D. Information age.
Information age.
Mali!
Hindi!
Four.
2,000 me.
Wait.
Alam mo na.
Wait, hindi pa siya nakita sa video.
Tinalo mo kanili.
I live in your phone. I connect you with friends, viral videos, and trends in seconds. I'm interactive and global. Which medium is this? A. Newspaper. B. Television. C. Social media. D. Radio.
B?
Mali!
Okay, a number. Matumba naman, B.
So, game
3?
3 daw, B.
2,000.
Ano to?
Shot! Wait lang. Doon ka na pumato!
Ayun, wala tayo.
Pamalayinom mo! Hindi ka kita sa video.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Ang natira is toyo, suka, and chocolate. I deliver digital news, articles, and videos on a website or app. You scroll me every day. What medium am I? A. Radio. B. Blog. C. Social media. D. Magazine.
Radio?
Mali.
Doon tayo sa 1. 1 daw, B.
Tawa na si Mikmik. Toyo.
Toyo. Na naman.
Kaugali mo talaga. Kambal.
Sumin ko yan.
Wait lang. Ang dami na ata. Pwede pa unti-unti. Kasi
Wala bahala siya. Sa ano yan?
Sanay siya. Galing mo sis.
wala na, tanggal na yan.
This age saw people writing books by hand, telling stories face to face, and painting on caves or on cave walls or scrolls. What era is this? A. Pre-industrial, B. Industrial, C. Electronic, D. Information.
Pre-industrial.
I let people watch shows and news with both sound and moving images. I helped shape pop culture in the 80s and 90s. What media am I? A. Radio, B. Internet, C. Podcast, D. Television.
B?
Galing ka!
O, bato-bato, sino inom ng suka?
Tama ako! Tama ako!
Bato.
Alis. Alis ako. 1 to 5.
Ready. Fight.
Sorry. Ayoko niyan. Bloody plastic. Ayoko niyan eh. Buti pa ka pa.
Dalawa, patay ka.
Bali sa'yo yung chocolate.
Ay, chocolate pala. Nainom niya din ang champion. Ay, may brand.
Sarap.
Lasa.
Ang hapdi sa dila.
That's all. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates to our video.
Bye!